Hi, so I will be covering this is what size 36, two buttons, right? This is the fabric. I have already cut the fabric. I don't need to add interfacing because the weight of the fabric is good enough, right? And these are the dies, and this is the hand press that I'm using, right? So let's get into it. First, what I like to do is to remove this pin from the hand press so I get enough coverage right here. You'll see what I'm talking about. So I would just drop in the part with the loop on it, this part, and then the cover part. Now I'll insert that over this die, right? So you have the upper and the lower die. This is the upper die in this case, right? Because different die types can be used. So once I insert the fabric, I ensure that it's not riding up around the corners right there, right? Then let me turn this up, right? I want to get a nice side view. I'm only using one camera for this operation. So I normally put this around there. Get this up out of the way. Let me bring this down in frame. Right? Get this up. This is where I pull the pin from. So I normally just rest the pin at the top. Right? So it doesn't drop down. Right? So I will replace in this right here. And then this one right here. So the space is very close. So when the space is very close like this, that's why I lift this part. Because when I'm using the grommet, for doing grommet, I don't lift this. I don't take out the die, I let it stay right here. So it's spring loaded. Right? So, alright. I want you to get the handle from this, but just bear with me. I'm only using one camera setup, so I'm not getting the handles. So once I put that there, then alright, let me do it this way. So I use this and put this over this one, right, like so, and then I add it under here, right? See, sir, it's tight right here, and then I release the pin right here. Come in frame right here, push this down, right, ensure it's in the slot. Then I bring this around, ensure it's okay. Yes, then I bring it around, then I apply the pressure. Right, let's see. So I bring this up back and I apply. That's right there. So let's see. All right, so this is the first one, right? Then I will be doing the same thing for the other one, right? So I get the lower part, put in the part with the loop for the hole, drop it inside, then I get the fabric, right, with the top part of the button shell, right? Then I insert it into the top part and just use my finger to kind of squish it around the shell, right? Then I apply this part to right here. This will slide down a little. Then I put it in here, right? Remove back this pin, place this down, right? And then I apply the pressure. Sorry. Okay. Let's see what's here. So first I need to bring up this, right? Take this out and look at the button right now. So that's it, quick and simple. So the tool you need is the press, the right hand press, because this hand press is mainly for grommets, but I know it can work with the button. If I'm doing anything under 36, it's very easy to fit in this space right here. But for the 36 now, anything above 36, you know, it will be, you need more clearance, so you need to get another type. So this is it. It's very close fitting, but it works, right? And it works well. So that is it for now, right? If you have any tips or tricks, you can actually share it with the community. So I just want to thank you.